What if I told you that you can write code in over 100 languages using the exact same programming language, same logic, same structure, just the keyword change? That's Enide. Enide is a polyglot interpreter and programming language designed to be written in any human language. Whether you prefer English, Portuguese, French, and even Zulu, only the keyword change, the structure is always the same. Okay, let's search Cloud Ubuntu Dala to get my official GitHub. Here it is. Let's go to Enide grammar repository, Enide lang. There are two ways to download Enide installer, or go to releases or go to our official website. The operating system that I'm using right now is Linux. So I will download the Linux installer. To don't take long, I will download that. Okay, let's open terminal and install Enide. To check if Enide installed, let's see the current version of Enide. Done, it's already installed. I recommend to you download the VS Code. You may choose the installer by your operating system. Let's go do our first program, the famous Hello World. Okay, to get better your development experience, let's download the Enide extension VS Code called Enide Dev. You may search Enide. It's already installed, but you may install our extension. Let's create the file. Called Hello World. This is the Enide syntax. It's required to include the language pack first. To output, we're gonna use print and write Hello World. Let's click in Run button. Okay, here's the output. In terminal, you may run the code like this. Okay, let's do the same of this one, but in Portuguese. We're gonna write incluir, that is the translation of include in Portuguese. And we're gonna write the language name. To output, we're gonna write escreva, and the string we're gonna write Olá Mundo, that is hello world in Portuguese. Let's click the run button. Okay, here's the output. Now we're gonna create the basic program that will save name and age and will show if the one is an adult. Okay, let's do it first in English and then I will do it in Portuguese. As always, I'm gonna include the language pack. I'm gonna create a function to do it. Code is adult. Now we're gonna declare two variables, var age and var name. Now we're gonna create the parameter of function. We're gonna receive name and age. You're gonna check if it's an adult. And we're gonna create the conditional structure to do it. Let's print is an adult and is not an adult. Okay, let's call the function and insert the parameter. Okay, here is the output. Okay, let's change the age now like this. Okay. Okay, it's working. Now we're gonna do the same logic but in Portuguese. Let's include the language pack as always. Now we're gonna declare the variable to name and to age. Let's create a function to do it. Write the parameter to function. Keep the same logic. Let's call the function and run. Okay, it's working. Let's change the age. Okay, it's working. Okay, here is okay. I just speak English and Portuguese, but Enide support 105 language. You must see the whole list. Here's the whole list, and you may check if your language is on it, or go to our official website and check if your language is supported in Enide. Okay, let's go to our official website. Here's language list. There are just 15 languages verified by speaker from the language, but you may go to our Enide grammar repository and help us improve your language. You may search by your country or by your language. And they have CLI documentation. You may do it in any language. Okay, here is in English documentation. Or you may do it even in Spanish. You may go to our official website and get the guide, our documentation. If this one will help you use Enide. Enide removes one of the biggest barriers in learning to code, the language barrier. The logic is universal. The keywords are yours. Whether you're a beginner or just curious, this is worth exploring.